Hi, it's Mark Coman from Paul's Photo, the Creative Photo Academy in the lab at Paul's Photo. Welcome to day 165 of our Be Creative series. And what are we going to talk about tonight? We're going to talk about a macro lens. Why? I was working on tonight my presentation for Macro Magic class. And I've got the 105 micro lens here on my Nikon Z7. And I have the lens set to 1:1 magnification ratio. What does that mean? That means I'm taking a picture. Come on and take a look at this. I'm taking a picture of a quarter. And a 1:1 reproduction ratio means that the quarter on the film or on the digital imaging sensor will be the same size that it is in real life. And that's one of the advantages of a macro lens, is you can photograph close and make something big. That's why it's called a macro or micro lens, that we make small things look big. The second characteristic of a macro or micro lens is a flat field grind. So the lens is cut, it's ground, kind of like you would carve a diamond or a steak or a turkey, so that the lens sees a flat plane. So if you noticed, the quarter was focused from the center to the edges. If you use a regular lens, the lens is curved field, so the focus plane actually bends. Because when we're photographing real life around us, you see life in a circle, in a panorama around you. So that's how regular lenses are ground. And the third characteristic of a macro lens is it's optimized to give equal clarity at close-up as it is at distance. So that's why macro lenses are so expensive. That's why they're hard to get sometimes, like they are right now. But that's why they're so popular and so powerful. So I can photograph the quarter so it's the size it was on 35mm film, or I can do a portrait or a flower or a document or stamps or coins, all those things with a macro lens. For me, after I get my three lenses, my wide angle, my normal, my telephoto lens, the fourth lens for most of my students is a macro lens to be able to do something like this. It's an extremely powerful tool to use. It's fun. I hope you guys who are in the Macro Magic class love it. We've got a good lesson on Wednesday night. For those of you who aren't in the class yet, it'll be coming up again just after the first of the year. We'll run it again so you can enjoy the power of close-up and macro photography. Get your lenses out and get as close as you can. Let's explore the world down on our hands and knees, up close, tight, and personal, making beautiful images. And then we're going to share them. Hashtag Paul's Photo, hashtag Creative Photo Academy, and hashtag We're All Together. Mark Coman from Paul's Photo, the Creative Photo Academy in the lab at Paul's Photo, wishing you great pictures. Happy Monday, and we'll see you tomorrow for the next episode of Be Creative.